welcome back in Miss Arum English Reading and Writing class. Today, I'm going to tell you about the language features of a personal statement. But before that, so let's review our previous material. Do you still remember what is personal statement? Personal statement is an essay that describes about your talent, achievement, and also your future goal. So this essay is used to apply for university or applying for a job. And what about the structure? Personal statement is consisting of 3 parts. So the first one is about your talent and interest. The second one is about your achievement and also your experience, while the last one is about your future goal. And now, what is the language features of a personal statement? Well, I'm going to tell you about the language features of a personal statement in this video. So let's check out my explanation about what is actually language features and what are the language features of a personal statement. Language features of a personal statement. What is language feature? Language features is the aspect of language that helps you understand a text. For example, point of view, vocabulary, tense, and conjunction. What are the language features of a personal statement? Let's start from point of view. You can find a point of view of a text by identifying who is telling or writing the text. There are 3 points of view of a text. First is first person point of view. Here, the writer is telling the information in the text. You can identify first person point of view by finding the word I, me, or we as the subject of the text. Second person point of view is when the writer has a narrator telling the information. You will find the words you, your, or yours in the text. Third person point of view is when the writer has an external narrator telling the information. So you will find the word he, she, it, or they. What is the point of view of a personal statement? Well, personal statement has first person point of view. How I can say that? Let's see paragraph below. This paragraph is an example of personal statement that you read previous meeting. In this paragraph, you find the word I as the subject of the text. It means that the point of view of this text is first person point of view. You can find many vocabularies in a personal statement, but the vocabulary is related to the interest, talent, achievement, experience, and also future goal. So here are the example of the vocabulary that you find in the personal statement that you read in the previous meeting. What tense is used in a personal statement? To know the tenses used in a personal statement, we need to read again the example of personal statement that you have in the previous meeting. Then, identify the verb of each paragraph. This is the first paragraph of the personal statement. The example of the verb that you find in this paragraph are have, join, got, grew, and love. What about the second paragraph? In this second paragraph, you find conducted, collaborated, gave, had, and enjoy. In the last paragraph about future goal, what verb do you find? The example of the verb that you find in the third paragraph are want, believe, and will help. After identifying the verb used in a personal statement, we can conclude that the tenses used in a personal statement are present, past, and future tense. What are conjunctions used in a personal statement? Conjunction is a word used to connect clauses or sentences, or to coordinate words in the same clauses. For example, and. And is conjunction that connects something similar or alike. But is a conjunction that showing contrast or different. So is conjunction used when the second part is the result of the first part. Or is a conjunction that used to give a choice or alternative. And because is conjunction used when the second part gives a reason of the first part. So that is the language features of a personal statement. Personal statement use first person point of view. The vocabulary is related to interest, experience, and future goal. In a personal statement, present, past, and future tense are used. And you can also find the use of conjunction. That is my explanation about the language features of a personal statement. I hope by knowing this, you will be able to write a good personal statement. Based on Al-Hujurat 13, it is important for us to know each other so that we can socialize and build a good relation with the others. Well, so this is the end of my video today. See you in the next video. Bye!